Hello everyone. From this video we going to start topic solution, that is second topic, which consists of solution and their properties. From this video we going to study solutions and type of solution. Let's study topic solution. Mixture. Mixture is a simple combination of two or more substances. When two or more substances just physically combine together in any proportion, forming a mixture, there is no any chemical process take place in the formation of mixture. Mixture consists of two or more substances. Depend on the number of components present in the mixture are classified. Also depend on that particle size involved in the mixture formation. Mixture are classified into three types. First, a coarse mixture. Second, colloidal suspension, and third, solution. A coarse mixture. It is formed when the size of constituent component are relatively bigger. That is, mixture is consist of mainly two component, dispersed phase and dispersion medium, and depend upon the size of dispersed phase, that specific class is formed, that is coarse mixture, colloidal and solution. In coarse mixture, the size of constituent component of dispersed phase in the range higher than 10⁴ centimeter. Second class, colloidal suspension. It is formed when the size of dispersed phase in dispersion medium in the range 10⁻⁷ centimeter to 10⁻⁴ centimeter. Colloidal suspension carry positive or negative charge which stabilizes colloidal dispersion. A ferric hydroxide sol, arsenic sulfide sol, these are, but colloidal solution are heterogeneous and can easily separate it. Now, solution. A true solution is formed when soluble substances are dissolved in dispersion medium. The size of the particle of dispersed phase are in the range less than 10⁻⁸ centimeter. That is, these two substances are homogeneously forming a single phase and cannot be easily separated. That is solution. Let's study solution. Definition. A homogeneous mixture of two or more pure substances, the composition of which not fixed and can be varied within certain limit. Two or more substances are combined in such a manner where they are completely uniformly distributed through each other, forming a single phase of mixture, that is form a solution. Solution is consist of a solvent and one or more solutes. If it consists of only one solute, forming a binary. Sometimes it consists of two solute and one solvent, forming ternary, and quaternary solution consists of three solute and one solvent. But from this specific topic we only discuss on binary solution. Binary solution is consist of one solvent and one solute. That is, solvent is always one. It consists of only one solute. That is binary solution. solute plus solvent forming a solution. Solvent, the component of the solution present in larger proportion called solvent. That is dispersion medium, that is solvent, which present in larger proportion in the specific solution. Solute, the component of the solution present in smaller proportion called solution. For example, sugar solution. Here the water is present in larger proportion, so that is solvent, and in aqueous sugar solution, sugar is present in smaller proportion called solute. Now let's study type of solution. There are various ways to classification of solution. Here we discuss on depends on the physical states of solvent and solute. Solution are classified into 9 types. You know 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. What is the role play of either solute and solvent as gas, liquid or solid? Their solution are classified into 9 types. Let's study one by one. Here first we discuss such solution where solid solvent. First, solid in solid. Here solid solute mixed in solid solvent. For example, alloys like brass, bronze, copper in gold. Here both solute and solvent are solid. ह्या स्पेसिफिक टाइप मध्ये सॉलिड इन सॉलिड मध्ये दोन्ही सोल्यूट आणि सॉल्व्हंट हे दोन्ही स्थायू अवस्थेत असणार आहे, सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये असणार आहेत. वन सॉलिड is completely mixed in solid solvent forming a homogeneous mixture, that is solid in solid. Second class, liquid in solid. Here liquid solute dissolve in solid solvent. For example, amalgams of mercury with metal. Liquid mercury whenever mixed in specific metal forming their metal amalgam. These metal amalgam are very important in reducing reaction. For example, mercury with silver. When mercury is mixed in silver forming a silver amalgam, that is the type of solution liquid in solid. Third, gas in solid. Here gaseous solute dissolve in solid solvent. For example, pumice stone, that is geological specimen which is stone which is float on water because of less density, and the lesser density of that due to their various gases are trapped in that specific stone. Second example, hydrogen gas in palladium metal. In palladium metal, there is hydrogen gas is trapped forming a hydrogen gas in palladium, gas in solid. So the first 3 are the example in which solid solvent is there. Now from 4th to 4th, 5th and 6th where liquid solvent is there. Here solid in liquid, solid solute dissolve in liquid solvent. For example, sugar in water, salt water, sea water, that is example of solid in liquid. Sugar solid dissolve in water forming aqueous solution of sugar, that is example of solid in liquid. Liquid in liquid. Liquid solute dissolve in liquid solvent. For example, ethanol in water, vinegar solution, that is acetic acid in water. Here both solute and solvent present in liquid phase, forming a type liquid in liquid. Next, sixth one, gas in liquid. Gaseous solute dissolve in liquid solvent. You know the example, carbonated drinks, that is thumbs up, Coca-Cola, etc. These are the carbonated drinks in which carbon dioxide gas are dissolved in that water mixed with flavors and some coloring agent, forming carbonated drinks. These are the example of gas in liquid. You know, the aquatic animals are survive because of oxygen present in water, forming oxygen in water plus gas in liquid. Now from 6 to 9, here the gaseous solvent in forming a solution. First, solid in gas. Here solid solute dissolve in gaseous solvent. For example, camphor in air, iodine in air, smoke, dust. These are the example of solid in gas, where solid solute are dispersed, dissolved in gaseous solvent. Camphor, iodine, these are the sublimating substances and forming a homogeneous mixture with air, forming solid in gas type. Next, liquid in gas. Here liquid solute dissolve in gaseous solvent. For example, chloroform in nitrogen. Whenever volatile liquids are exposed to air, forming this class liquid in gas. Water moisture, water vapor in air, forming liquid in gas. Here liquid solute are mixed in gaseous solvent. And last class, gas in gas. Here both gaseous solute dissolve in gaseous solvent, forming gas in gas. For example, air. Air is a mixture of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, some noble gases, forming a homogeneous mixture, air. There are various non-reacting gases mixed together, forming a homogeneous gaseous phase, that is the example of gas in gas. So there are various solutions play important role in our life processes. So these are the various class that we discussed. Depend upon the physical phases of solute and solvent, the solutions are classified into 9 classes. We have to remember what is the main solvent phase of the solvent, that is solid solvent, solid solvent, solid solvent, solid in solid, liquid in solid, gas in solid, such way. Now from next video we going to study capacity of solution to dissolve solute, that is solubility. Thank you.